Okay, so for this one we are going to be looking at trying to prove that DOC is congruent to RUJ. So we're looking for DOC being congruent to RUJ. We were given that HOD is congruent to ZUR. So planning this proof, what I would end up doing is saying, oh look, those are both equal to 180. Those together are equal to 180, and those together are equal to 180. Since we know that these two are congruent, and they add up with the red ones to be 180, then the red ones must be the same also. And so we're going to go through the steps on the proof to show that. So HOD is congruent to ZUR is given. Because they are congruent, their measures are equal. So measure of angle HOD is equal to the measure of angle ZUR. HOD and DOC are supplementary because of linear pair. We can see that these two angles here form a straight line, so linear pair. Because they are a linear pair, their measures sum to 180 degrees. Now the other one, we're going to have a linear pair over here. And I want to look down here because I want to name it the same, so that I don't get confused. So we're going to say ZUR and RUJ. Are supplementary because they're a linear pair. Their measures add to be 180 degrees because of definition of supplementary angles. So now that we see that these two are both equal to 180, they must be equal to each other. So measure of angle HOD plus the measure of angle DOC is equal to the measure of angle ZUR plus the measure of angle RUJ. And that's the transitive property. Now looking back up at the top, since HOD and ZUR are equal, or since their measures are congruent, or since their measures are equal actually, we know that they are equal, so we can subtract them from both sides. HOD and ZUR are equal, so we are subtracting the same thing from both sides. That leaves us with RUJ and DOC. The reason we were able to do that is because of subtraction. Now we can say that they are congruent because their measures are equal. Definition of congruent angles. Okay, HOD is congruent to ZUR is given. Oh, this is the same one repeated.